Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast at home easily. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the bread, 4 slices of thick-cut bread, like brioche or challah, work wonderfully. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter for cooking and a small pinch of cinnamon for that classic flavor. Now, let's create our delicious batter. In a shallow dish, gently whisk together your 2 large eggs until they are well combined. Next, slowly pour in the 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra touch of warmth, stir in a pinch of ground cinnamon. Make sure your mixture is smooth and lump-free. This ensures every piece of French toast is perfectly coated. With our batter ready, it's time to cook. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the batter for about 10 to 15 seconds per side, allowing it to soak up all that goodness. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Adjust the heat as needed for perfect results. Your homemade French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately for the freshest taste. You can top it with your favorite maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra special treat, consider adding some whipped cream or a dollop of fruit compote. This simple, delightful breakfast is perfect for any morning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.